Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for 10th class, chapter real numbers, and in this video we are going to learn exercise 1.5 problems, fourth bit. Okay, the other bits are given in another videos, so for them please follow the link given in the description. So here is your fourth bit. Expand the following. Okay, whatever the question is given in terms of logarithm, that you should expand. Okay, so 1000, 1000 I can write in terms of 10 as 10 cube, right? If it is 100, you can write as 10 power 2, because just simple. Here how many zeros are there? Count them and put as power to the 10. Okay, here 3 zeros are there, so I can put as 10 cube. If it is 2 zeros, suppose if it is 100, you can write as 10 square, because 2 zeros, the power will be 2. If it is 4 zeros, 10,000, then you can put 10 power 4. Okay, so first I'll write this 1000 as 10 cube. Okay, now here if you see here, it is in the form of log m base a, right? Log m base a, the power will be sent to the front, so it will become m log a. Okay, for the properties please follow the link given in the description, and other problems also will be given. Don't bother about them. Now here I can write this log 3 base 10 as 3 log 10. Okay, now here the if anything is like written in terms of like this, here you can give base as 10, because it is a common logarithm with base 10. We can put the base as 10, so I can write as log 10 base 10. Okay, now if the power and the base are same, I can write as 1, right? Because the formula is log a base a equal to 1. So instead of 10 base 10, I can write 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So we got log 1000 equal to 3. Okay, don't confuse. Use the correct property, suitable property. Here m base a, so m log a. Here we can put the base as 10 for log 10, because it is a common logarithm. So a base a equal to 1. So instead of this one, I put 1 here. So it is 3 into 1, 3. Okay, so let us go to the next problem from this bit. So if any values you got like before problem 3, you can write in terms of that. But our question is just to expand. If it is expanded, that is enough. Okay. So log 128 by 624. Okay. So this 128 you do the prime factoration. For this 625 also you do the prime factoration and write in terms of exponents. Okay, so 128 I can write as 2 power 7, and 625 it is 5 power 4. Okay, be perfect with the prime factoration. Okay, so for doing this prime factoration, it is very important to know about the divisibility rules, so that you can easily do them. Okay, so for the divisibility rules also, you please follow the link in the description. Okay, so here if you see properly, it is x by y form. Okay, it is in the form of x by y, because it is here you have division. Okay, so who is the friend of division? Minus. In logarithms, the friend of division is minus. So give logarithm for both of them, and in between you put minus. Okay, division's friend is minus, and give logarithm for both of them, in between minus. Clear? So I can write this log 2 power 7 by 5 power 4 as log 2 power 7. Now you can read as, or 7 base 2 minus log 4 base 5. Okay, now here again it is having power, right? So this power will be sent front, because the property is log m base a. Okay, log m base a means m log a. Okay, the power will be sent to the front. So 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. Okay, he just asks you to expand it. It is expanded. Here you should put 10 as base only, no 2. Like previous problem, you can ask me one question like, in the previous problem we have log 10, so you would put here log base as 10, but here we can put 2 as base or 5 as base. No, it is not correct, because the base 10 is nothing but log without base also. Log without base means log 2, and log 10 base 2 are both same. So log 2 base 10 are same only. Okay, so here even if you put this 10 as base here, there is no use because there is no formula for this one. Instead of this one we cannot write 1. Again we should send this 2 here, but 10 log base 10, if it is like log base 10 without any power here, it is no having no value, so we can stop the problem here only because he asks you to expand it. Okay, so this is expanded, means we gave the logarithm for both of them, so the expansion of this one is given as 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. Okay, so let us go to the next one. So here is your next problem, log x square y cube z power 4. So from the properties we have, when the logarithm is under multiplication, you should give plus in between them because multiplication's friend is plus, right? So your formula will be log xy equals to log x plus log y. Okay, here it is under multiplication, so they are separated with plus in between. Okay, so we can write this here, 3 are there, so write 3 of them with plus in between. Okay, so log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Okay, so here again it is in terms of power. Whenever power is there, there is one formula that log m base a equal to m log a. Okay, the power will be sent to the front, so this m will be sent front, so m log a. Okay, so 2 will go front, so and 3 will go front, 4 will go front. So he asked only to expand it, so we expanded. So this is finished. So we can write log x square y cube z power 4 equal to 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Okay, we expanded and we wrote here. There is no formula to be used further, so we stopped here only. So this is your expansion for this problem. So here is your next problem, log p square q cube by r. If you observe carefully here, we can use two formulas because whenever multiplications are there for logarithm, they are separated with plus, and whenever division is there, they should be separated with minus. Okay, the properties to be used here are log xy equals to log x plus log y, and log x by y equals to log x minus log y. Okay, so for numerator you should use this formula, and for the fraction you should use this formula. Okay, so the numerators are separated with plus in between and the fraction is separated with minus in between. Okay, so here again power is there. Whenever powers are there, you have one formula that log m base a equals to m log a. Okay, simple, the power will be sent to the front. Okay, so it will become 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Okay, he asked only to expand, so we expanded it. So we can write p log p square q cube by r as 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. Okay, let us go to the next problem now. So here is your next question, under root log under root x cube by y square. Okay, so here it is square root, so square root, any number with square root, they can be written as in power with 1 by 2. Okay, so square root with 1 by 2 as power, 3th root will be written as power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3, and 4th root with 1 by 4. Okay, so first we'll write this one in terms of this one. Okay, so x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. Now here you can use two formulas here. Both of them are having power, right? Means a power m by b power m. We can write this, we can give this power to both of them. Okay, by using this formula. And here this power after power, okay, means a power m whole power n, a power m into n. So by using these two formulas, we'll write this one. Okay, so 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 and 2 into 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. Okay, now if you see here, this is in fraction x by y, so our formula used is x minus y, right? Log x minus log y. So we'll give this one log this one minus log this one, as well as here you have power, right? Whenever power is there, that power will be given to the front, right? So I can use this formula, log a m base a equals to m log a, the power should be sent to the front. So both, by using both these formulas, I'll write in one step like 3 by 2 log x minus 2 by 2 log y. Okay, so 3 by 2 we cannot, it will be in decimal, so I will remain like this only. 2 by 2 I can write as 1. So I can write 3 by 2 log x minus log y. 1 into log y means log y only, no? So this is your expansion for this square root problem. Okay. So please don't confuse, whenever square root is there, just write in terms of power 1 by 2. Clear? So the other bits are given in the description. Please follow them. And if you understand this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.